Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to take macro photos using just a simple kit lens. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about. My name is Abhimanyu. My name is Abhimanyu. I know you are all interested in taking macro photos with a macro lens. But a simple kit lens will also help in taking macro photos. Before jumping into the video, if you are new in this video, consider subscribing. Okay, let's jump into the video. What's the advantage of this macro lens? Macro lenses are often used for taking images of small objects and also images of small organisms. And after taking the image, that image will definitely come into life. That's the specialty of this macro lens. Okay, I will show you how to take a macro photo using just a simple kit lens. Just remove your lens. Okay, and flip your lens like this. Okay, whatever you want to take, you just take it. This is how you flip the lens and you can take the macro shot very easily. And remember one thing, when you flip the lens, you can't change the aperture. Okay guys, this is just a quick tip for how to take macro photos using your kit lens. Okay, so if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and families. And one more thing, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, thank you, I will see you in the next video.